So hello everyone, let's solve this problem longest consecutive subsequence. So in this problem we have given an array and we have to return a longest consecutive subsequence length. So over here longest consecutive subsequence is 1 to 4 and its length is 4. So we have written a 4. So this is the problem. Now let's think about the solution. So how we are going to solve this problem? So there is one way. So we can sort this array and then we will iterate through whole array and we can find this we can find the longest subsequence, but it will take n log n time, because sorting algorithm take n log n time. So this is and over here we written over here that we have to solve this problem in uh, n log n time. Okay, so now how we are going to solve this problem? To solve this problem, let's visualize this problem in a line. Let's draw this each and every point in a line. So this is our line, and 400, 4, 200, 1, 3, 2. Let's draw it on a line. So suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So let me again draw it better. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here somewhere 100, over here somewhere 200. So as you can see over here that this longest common subsequence, and this is a small subsequence. Okay, so there is total 3 subsequence, and one is longest and other 2 are only just subsequence. Okay, now how we are going to solve this? So first of all we will create a set of this element. Okay, we will create the set of this element. Then then we will iterate through each and every element. We will go to first 100. We are 100, then we will check whether this 99 is exist in our set variable or not. If this 99 is exist in our set variable, then we know this is not a starting of subsequence. So if so for the 2, if we are at 2, then 2 minus 1 equal to 1. 1 is exist in a subsequence or not? 1 is exist in our array set or not, scene set or not. So if it's exist in our set, then we sure that this is not a starting point of our subsequence. So we will just go to next element. Okay, so likewise we will start from each and every element. So we have start from 100. So we know there is no left element. Sub 99 is not in our scene set. So we know that this is the starting of subsequence. Then we will check whether the next element is exist or not. If next element exists, then we will just increment, and also we will increment subsequence count. Okay, and when we find there is no element left in a subsequence, then we will just go to over here, like in a 4. So likewise we go to 4. So 4 is 4 is a 3. So we are just continue. We go to 20, 200. In 200 we will check there is no subsequence, there is no previous element over here. So we will just check for next element, and then we will continue for 1. So over 1 we check there is no previous element over here. So this is the starting of subsequence. Then we will check next element. So 2 is in our list, so we will increment subsequence count plus 1. Then we will again check for 2 that 3 is exist or not. Then we will again increment subsequence count. Then for the 3 we will again check, and then at the end, and then we will check say there is no subsequence left, there is no element left in our subsequence. So then we will just simply return. So initially this value 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. So then we will return 4. Okay, this is how we will going to solve this problem. So let's write a code for this problem. So let's create a scene set. scene equal to set of nums. Now we will create a set scene set. Now we create a max subsequence seq equal to 0, and then we will this should be 1 because there is always a one subsequence in array. So if array is empty, then it will become 0. So let me write as 0 only. Okay. Now we will iterate to each and every element. So num in nums, write it as nums. Now we will check if num minus 1 not in seed. If we are starting of subsequence, if we know that we are starting of subsequence like over here 1, then we will going to proceed ahead. So if we are at 2 or 3, then we will just keep it. So for that we have written this, and now let's write sub subsequence length. This is our subsequence length. So we already know, we already check for 1, so we mark this as 1. So subsequence 1, we found first subsequence. Now we will iterate to all the array while num plus 1 in scene set. Till then num equal to num plus 1, and then at the end we will just uh, change our max subsequence count by using max uh, by using this statement. I have written a max subsequence count, and at the end we will just return. Okay, let's run this code. Now let's submit this code. So thank you for watching this video.